Gay, gay, do get it, get it, get it, get it, gay. Gay, do get it, get it, get it, get it, gay. Gay, do get it, get it, get it, get it, gay. Gay, do get it, get it, get it, get it.
Eternal happiness is seeing God and being taken up into God's happiness. To see God, we need to purify our hearts, to rid them of bad instincts, and to seek the love of God above all else. In the three persons of the Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, there is non-stop life, joy, and sharing without end. We can't even comprehend sharing in such infinite happiness, but that's okay. This is not the happiness found in earthly riches or well-being, in human fame or power, or in any beneficial human achievement like science, technology, and art, or in any creature, like a girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, son or daughter, or dog or cat. No, this true happiness is in God alone, the source of every good and the source of all love. It's a gift, plain and simple. We can't work for it, and we can't even comprehend the greatness of it. But that's okay. It's an undeserved, unmerited gift of God's grace. We can either decline the gift, bowing down before money, measuring our happiness by our riches, living a profound faith that with wealth we could do even more things, and notoriety, the making of noise in the world, newspaper fame, or we can accept the gift, freely choosing God, loving Him above all things, doing good and avoiding evil the best that we can. Until next time, make sure to take some time for the table.